How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, first and foremost, I wanted to say Merry Christmas, guys. Hopefully you guys got some new farm toys underneath the Christmas tree this morning. This is a video you guys have been asking me to do for a very, very long time. Oh, where's all the farm toy videos? Why isn't there any farm toy videos? Oh, you got to bring that custom stuff back. Oh, you got to do a build video, you know? Guys, I want to apologize to you for the lack of farm toy videos because you guys know me. I'm a busy guy, and of course my attention has kind of shifted to the big tractor stuff. It's always kind of been in the big tractors, but of course, same old song and dance, right? Got the truck, got the trailer. Well, new truck anyway. I've always had trucks, but and the tractors came home and yada yada yada. You guys know the story. Anyway, I was sitting there thinking this morning, I says, well, not really a whole heck of a lot to do today. I'm gonna have to go out and plow some snow here in a little bit, which I might get you guys a video with the snowblower and whatnot. But, you know, I sat there this morning and I kind of got the idea sparked from an old conversation I actually come across the other night. And then someone was telling me they did Oliver 99, the old square body 99, like when my grandfather had the real one, out of an International 1020, McCormick Daring 1020. So I got thinking, I think I have one of those in my parts box, and I kind of did a parts box build today. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got up to. This is what I come up with so far. Oliver 99. I had to go into the cabinet and get a few examples here so I could remember how I did this last time, because it's been so gosh darn long since I did any farm toy stuff, I kind of forgot. But I remembered after a while, I did take the fenders off a John Deere D, and the air cleaner came out of one of those 460 Internationals. Of course, the front axle for an 80 come off the 460 as well, but the 99 is a little bit bigger. I'm not too happy with the rake on it. It's not bad, but I might try to sand the tires down a little bit and get them to kind of sit a little bit more flatter. I might have to put a little bit more arc in the front axle. I'll figure out something. I'm not 100% done with it just yet. I'm going to actually do some more scratch building on it. I got a piece of styrene here. I'm going to make the radiator grill screen. I got to make some side screens here. I'm going to fill the hole. I'll fill the casting rivet here. I'll probably do the same. These fenders, these are just mock-up fenders for now. I'm going to actually go and buy another one of these John Deere Ds and rob the fenders off it. You know, who buys new tractors just to rip parts off these? Has that ever been heard of? Anyone that builds custom tractors knows what that's all about. Anyway, yeah. Basically, the back tires are off a 4020 John Deere. The fronts are just some old Ertl wagon tires. The exhaust pipe's just an axle. And then the air cleaner's off a 460 International. I'm going to add the belt pulley. I'm going to sand this one smooth. And then I'm going to do what I did with this one. I'm going to use a Ertl rim there, and then I'll glue that on there once I get the side screen on there. But yeah, it's not a bad looking little tractor. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. I'm probably filling the casting seam down there. I didn't get too crazy with this one. I could have scratch built the front axle, I guess, if I really wanted to get into it, but I don't have much brass or styrene around here. Of course, I haven't been building nothing, so that's kind of what I'm working on right now. I'm going to have to come up with a seat, and I can do a gear shift and whatnot too for extra detail, but something to play around with anyway. I just kind of thought I had International rims this style, but I guess not. I'll just have to paint these. Also pulled out some other previous projects here. The 1755 I was doing. I think it was a 1755. Did the fender fuel tanks, the scratch built front axle, and did the hood seam and whatnot in it. This one here is an old style 88 Oliver that I did the fenders on and wheel and tire swap and whatnot. So that's ready to get painted too, but I don't have that Fleetline green paint, so it's pretty much done. Of course, a couple older projects, Oliver 80, 1828, Cockshot 80, and of course the 88 Standard I did quite some time ago. Just a quick little video. I know you guys have been asking me for it, and I don't really have much time to do farm toy stuff, but I might get some time here later on next week, and maybe I'll get this one finished up and get it painted. So, as always, guys, if you like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.